Hi, my name is Sarette and I am a Cherish Beauty by Nature ambassador, and today we are talking about one of my favorite skincare topics and steps, face masking. So I have here the Cherish Beauty by Nature Restorative Mineral Face Mask, which actually comes in a powder form that contains white kaolin clay, pink kaolin clay, and baobab powder. So what I love about this particular face mask is that it can actually double up as a face mask as well as an exfoliator. Gentle exfoliation is very important for the skin because not only will it exfoliate, dead skin cells, but it will also help you absorb your serums as well as moisturizers for an even tone and brighter complexion. The hero ingredients in the Restorative Mineral Face Mask Powder are white and pink kaolin clay as well as baobab powder. So both the kaolin clays are very gentle in the skin. It's mildly exfoliating as well as very, very light on the skin. It also removes any impurities such as excessive sebum or oil, toxins and dirt, leaving the skin silky smooth and even toned. So the baobab powder in the restorative face mask is very high in vitamin C, which is actually going to promote collagen as well as elastin production, and it's going to lift and tone the skin and just promote a brighter looking complexion. The Restorative Face Mask by Cherish Beauty will also reduce any wrinkles as well as restore a radiance to your skin. So here is how to properly use the Cherish Beauty by Nature Restorative Face Mask Powder. Combine 1 teaspoon of powder with 1 teaspoon of water and mix them together to form a thick paste. Apply the mask onto clean and dry skin for around about 10 minutes. When the mask turns from a pinkish to white color, you will know that it's ready to be washed off. You can gently exfoliate your skin by dampening the mask on your face and using gentle circular strokes to remove any impurities, dead skin and toxins. Because of the hero ingredients, the white and pink kaolin clay, the mineral face mask powder will gently exfoliate the skin without stripping the natural oils, also leaving the skin silky soft and plump. Then you can gently wash off the clay mask. You can now softly pat your face dry and follow up with the Cherish Beauty face serum as well as the daily moisturizer. This step can be repeated 2 to 3 times a week. And there you have it, how to use the restorative face mask powder from Cherish Beauty, not only as a face mask, but as well as an exfoliator. Visit the Cherish Beauty by Nature website to get your own face mask.